Alright, so I got the valve out, spring loaded. Let me get a rag here. Can you lay that out, please? So this is what it looks like. So this is the part I was taking out, unscrewing right now, or getting ready to unscrew on the previously. And this is what's inside of there. So basically under pressure, this will relieve and allow the pressure to drop down back into the, just relieve. It's just a pressure relieve. Right now when I took it out and I pulled this out, there was no oil in that housing. And what that tells me is that that's the reason why we're not getting no oil up there to the top of the engine, because there wasn't even any oil inside this channel area anyways. So that's basically an indication that the low oil pressure pump is not picking up. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So that kind of just helped me determine what the problem is with this unit. Usually it's always a high pressure problem, and it's very solemnly it's a low oil pump problem. I guess it's one of those more rare cases. So there you go.